Samara, this is cheating. Take Bakuli and go out.
Bro, I'm out. What the fuck?
Okay.
Shut the hell up.
Argula.
Shut the hell up.
Argula itala. Wa idin wata ila oo gacad idin barakay.
That
Go
was
out.
you, man.
Go out. Hey. This today what's wrong with you? Never go out. Let us see the street of Sweden.
My eyes, yo. Oh, my eyes. How? What did you say?
Let us see the street of Sweden. We never see it, sister.
Bro, my dad is home today, okay? Discipline. Tick. My brothers are home today. It's holiday. I told you it's holiday. Everyone is home.
My
brothers see me like this.
So let me explain my people. waxay tiri aabig banaanka daan u bax wax inaan shukaansanaa imalayna marka ay xishmeey tiri
abbaate milay masluutna banagani miskiin ayzok
waxay tiri if I go out my dad will see me because he think like I'm talking a man
crazy.
Out just say it there no yes it's good okay if you refuse to go out for the sake of discipline put the head.
Oh.
Talk to your people.
Bro, everybody's texting me in Somali. I don't even...
Don't read. So it's a
what
little bit...
the hell should I say? I mean... I should turn off the comments, y'all.
Hey, Samar, where is your team today?
Huh?
I drink your team like this today. Samar is my don't read the comment. Last time I entered the accident into the comment. Don't read.
Oh my god, people have issue. Guys, you guys know that I don't understand Somali and I can't read Somali, so I don't even know who do you think's gonna read what you guys are saying? Because I don't get it. I don't understand. So I don't even...
Yeah, don't read. Oh, the challenge is coming.
Vet du vem vem bryr sig?
5 seconds beat you.
Snälla, Yasin Byn här. Vad fan ska jag göra med honom här på TikTok?
5 seconds.
Kolla dum han är. Jag ska muta dig.
والله قولي طلب إلهي عمريين الله دايري ما ندخل بقى إذا كنت دعي والله سأل ويجيب زيرة لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
I don't even...
Emotional damage. 5-bit emotional damage. Life is not balanced. When my team fighting, your team eating ugali and noodles and they sleeping. Look, where is the queen? Emotional damage.
Queen, she's sleeping.
Emotional damage. Oh my God.
I miss her.
يا كنت لي ولفتي قولي ذو بس قولي ذو جيم كويس كي بحب بس انت قبل ما يقع شو تسيس قولي ذو the biggest Somali gamer ever. He's back. Beauty, come back.
I'm done, yo. I'm done.
والله بلا مرشيريس بنسي وقتي وبلاينا دعوا بحنا مات يا قولوا ذو وكو دعي.
Oh my God, people have issue with themselves, yeah.
Samara, emotional damage. The time my team played, your team is sleeping. That's our difference. Yeah, I don't want to hurt you too much. Let me cry for the sake of rest in peace.
Oh my God, Somali people on my comments. Stop, yo, guys. I don't even read. What the hell are you saying? Are you talking to yourself?
They saying you are so beautiful. That's the main problem.
Bro, they're
they
saying
can't.
rude things to you. I know some rude things. They're saying rude things to you. Bro, I don't even care.
Wait, well, stop what you. Samara, how you doing?
Good.
Is there anybody? Where is your team? They are already died.
I swear I give up. Today I give up.
My brother Goulet, remember me. This is the celebration of he buy a new Mercedes Benz, and he said this is celebration. Goulet, yeah, he is the
Who is
biggest
Guled?
gamer that I ever seen to my entire life.
Who is it? Who is Guled?
Goulet, his car is $45 million.
What the hell? Who is he?
He's Goulet. You follow Grazer. You wanna follow him? It's okay. Simple.
Oh my god, guys, stop.
Wallahi billahi ninkii ugu
Bro,
horey gabadh
I'm gonna
ajnabi raadiso way
mute
dheri
you.
Goulet kana dhadi
My
waa igu
dude,
dhex
I'm
shirlaysan
gonna
waay
mute you.
kamara masaaib yaalo haya put your face crying filter wallahi billahi Goulet waa igu dhufay dhadi ha Goulet and Talabo, the two legends, Lion and Lion
Bro, I'm gonna
Undertaker.
mute you too. Listen. Who the hell is Marsha? Hey, who is Marsha? Marsha, who the fuck is he?
Marisha is my friend.
So guys, are you happy now? Marisha, 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 Marsha, 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 Marshi, Marshi, Marshu, Marsha, Mirsha, Mursha. Leave her alone, yo. Leave her alone. What the hell? What the hell? These people are crazy.
Horriyo walaalayaal dhib badnida saaxiibayaal maxaa idinka qaldan
Bro, sick, yo. Go and text him. I don't care about her. Who is she?
she's my friend
They say
horriyo
that
gabadhi maxaa
it's
ugu
your
soo
wife.
qoraysay xaaskiis waa maxaa ugu soo qoraysay nab waxaa dhib badanaa saaxiibayaal Soomaalida respect please haya where's the filter
Yeah. A filter, okay, filter. Oh, so peace now, peace.
hi filter aniga gabadhi waa ka
I don't know.
xishoodsiisay
I'm sending them to you. Okay, I'm sending them to you.
okay you and Marish one game she's
Listen, I'm sending them. I'm sending them to you. Okay.
for what
My comment, they turn it off. So they're coming to you. Go over there, guys. Go and text him. Ah!
Leo, Soomaaliya waxaa leeyahay bare gawrab meyd garaacday
Oh my
Asxuub
god, Somali
galle.
people,
Ma
yo,
haddana
you never
comment-
give up.
fiiri
You guys
War guuleedo,
don't give
guuleedo waa
up.
ku
Oh my god, rest in peace, y'all.
kaasin thank you yaqi waa ku wata
Rest
guuleed
in
wallahi
peace.
bilaa and close the comments it's okay
I did. They did. Oh my god, I hate this filter, y'all. I can't see myself.
war walaalayaalo heeray gabadha commentiga fiiri haddi look fiiri hadda qof ajnabi ah oo comment isoo qoraa ma jira nin maxaa sumcadiina u ciyaaraysay saaxiib yaalo hadda fiiri nin zab loo diiday camal irida nigala xirtay ka war zab nin loo diiday irida laga celcelinaya ma aragti baan camal commentiga laga xirtay fiiri waxaan adi kalaam isku keenno respect yaqay iga dhaaf yaqay nin zab loo diiday ama gabar zab loo diiday camal albaabka nigala xirtay ka war ninna adeegnimo bismillaahi raxmaani raxiim bismillaahi rahmaani raxiim respect the guests bar. maxaa idinka qaldan war nin ajnabi oo hal comment isoo qoray ma arkaysid adiga ya hal mara guuleed ingiriis isoo qoray bis iyo gabadho oo la dhahay ismaan inta kale Soomaali leeyahay adiga baa baq abaay shafaad leedahay gadaal maxaa kaaga yaal qurux ku dhigle saaxiibadiisu maalish bismillaahi raxmaani raxiim 9 cons والله قبل موت كنا خستين سحرة وقشيفير
9 roses guys oof
والله بلا دبل عيرنا كنت وحاسو كلا خلط وايد داري قبل ما انت روح فرح سنة كرباش كبنتي
والله your people they make okay guys turn it
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله والله بالله توب ايدا اماد دادي والله بالله توب ايدا اماد قولت طلاب والله أبالكين وحب قدو ما خان وراء كنتني أفران جوق دادي توب إيدا لكين فيرلان إرنم حني وينا الله بالله الله بس وإنتان كبدا والله قولت إنا أسي فريسرين إنتان كبدا إيا تلاو قولت إتلاو إنا أسي فريسرين بس واحد شوط sister how many game we play because I think your game
I swear this one is the last one, bro. I'm done. My gift is there midnight, and you live in Kenya, bro. Mogadishu.
Even Guled and Talabo, they live in USA, really. And they're available. But wallahi bila intaan wallahi nagumeda ay wallahi. Haddaan Guled and Talabo intaan idin sii fadhiya. Wallahi bila nagumeda ay. Game kana igu dambeey. Bas way. intaan ka badan indukumeed caadi ab noqonaa bismillah gabara idin dhigtay baa intaan ka badan bas way gabadha waan ii jabsantahay maanta gamerkeeda u gambi intaan ka badan emotional damage Samara
bro I'm done
isa qora guuleed talaabo yaqay talaabo taagso ya ku tigso inta ku nacban saaxib guuleed boqortooy thank you sharaf ikram the power of positivity wow the powerhouse the hard justice oh my gosh okiyalki ugu dambeey look at this intaan ka badan gambar meedin dhiga karabe bismillah dadkii 54 iga soo waday 80 Kenya way bay intaan ka badan yeah شان إنسان كويس توا إذا بترو أنت قبل ما فديك.
I look beautiful.
الله إلان هذيك أنا وقوتها والله بالله ده سوبر موديل. أبى قبل أن نروح له بدن كوسار بجنة فلو بس هم يسيدوا الله قبل أن let me follow you إلهام.
My beautiful face. You know the thing is with Jack. Every time we battle, the only thing he can punish it's my face because of I'm gorgeous. So I will let you gifters know that I'm gorgeous, very, very beautiful. You guys know that Jack have no chance if he doesn't punish my face. I would love to say that. Thank you. No need for this. No need.
What is gorgeous?
Everybody knows my face is gorgeous. That's why you punish my face every time. Because if you don't punish my face, then you have no chance.
والله بالله كريستوفر كولومبوس بدارتي سي لا دي
Christopher يا Christopher Columbus
yes
I'm done for today
ما شاء الله تنتهي هذا في كرستي أمرنا ساك yes your hair even crotches
bro I have to make my hair today I have to go to the hair salon
ولا تنتهي في كرستي أمرنا بس والله yes even your face and your hair is gorgeous. Amazing.
Thank you.
MashaAllah. Even
guys,
even
a
your
lot of people is
even your
getting muted. I don't even know why you guys put yourself in a